if you're looking to have a conversation with a coworker and it's too short to spin up a Zoom and you don't have their phone number or whatever, but you do use Slack, then Huddles is absolutely the feature you need to use. It creates an audio-only conversation in the click of a button, and it works on both phone and on desktop. And let me show you what it looks like. So we're here in a team channel, and if you look in the bottom left, there's this little headphone toggle. You click it, and that's it. You're in the huddle, and you just click it to finish it again. And look, same again on phone. Top right-hand corner, little headphone button, press it. You're in the huddle, press the leave button, you're out of it again. So as you can see, Huddles are really quick and easy to set up. They're audio only, so you don't have any of the Zoom fatigue. You can share your screen if you want, but they're great for things like really quick syncs, one-to-ones with your team members. Daily stand-ups are a great use for them. And just for like getting quickly together and trying to solve a problem that's just kind of hard to type out in text. For more Slack types like this, don't forget to like and subscribe, and you can also check out this playlist. Have a great day.